Good morning, respected viewers, and good morning, respected ones. Hope of that you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Success with Ma'am Amara. Hope of that you all are good. Hope of that you all are enjoying my lecture. Hope of that you understand English grammar in a good way, and with the hope of that you consume your time to understand English grammar, so that you can become a very good listener and very good speaker as well. Okay, we today we are going to learn about passive voice in all tenses. Okay, before to start our today learning, I want to share with you a beautiful quote of Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill was an American motivational writer, and he always talked about success, discipline, self improvement, leadership as well. He has given a very beautiful lesson. He has shared a beautiful quote: don't wait, the time will never be just right. Okay, what a beautiful quote, what a beautiful lesson he has shared. Means to say that he wants to say that we should never waste our time. We should never waste our time, because we all have limited time. We need to start our work now. We need to start our work early, so that we can complete our goals on time. If you delay, if you are waiting the right time, and you have not started, you have not worked regarding your dreams, on your dreams, you are waiting the perfect time. Means to say that you also keep in your mind that please don't wait, please try to do it, please try to do now. What a beautiful lesson he has said, that we need to utilize time, we need to our time utilize now. If you have your time, you need to consume your time on your dreams, so that you can fulfill it one day. If you try to start it, if you try to do very work hard, one day you will achieve it, you will enjoy your success. Okay, let's start our today learning. Passive voice in all tenses. Okay, first one, you also keep in mind that, as you better know, in my previous lecture, I have given you a very good understanding regarding passive voice. Okay, means to say, in these voice, in these sentences, you always take object as a subject, and you always use third form of verb, and you use by as well. Okay, we try to start it, we try to understand it. First one is simple past, simple present. Okay, first one is simple present. Means to say, Rohan writes a letter. Okay, this is our simple present tense, and now we are going to turn it into the passive voice. Okay, first we talk about the structure: object plus is mr plus v3. Okay, object plus is mr plus v3. Means to say, you need to turn like this: a letter is written by Rohan. Means to say, a letter can be the subject, and no, you need to put is, and then you need to put third form by, and then add by, and then you need to put Rohan. Okay, this is the structure of passive voice in present simple present, you may say. Okay, and second one is present continuous. Okay, and now we are going to talk about its structure: object plus is MR plus being plus V3. Okay, we try to understand with the good example. Means to say a letter is being written by Rohan. Means for example, if we talk about the simple tense in present continuous, you also keep in your mind that Rohan is writing a letter. Okay, so if we are trying to convert passive voice, you need to write like that: a letter is being written by Rohan. Clear? And third one is present perfect. Okay, first we talk about the structure in passive voice. Okay, object plus has, have plus been plus V3. Okay, if we talk about the simple tense, simple present perfect tense, you need to keep in mind that Rohan has written a letter. So now we are going to turn into the passive voice. A letter has been written by Rohan. Has been written by Rohan. Clear? And now we are going to talk about simple past. Okay? Simple past. First we talk about the structure in passive voice. Object plus was, were plus V3. Okay? If we talk about the simple tense in past indefinite, you also keep in mind that Rohan wrote a letter. Okay, now we are going to turn this sentence into the passive voice. A letter was written by Rohan. Was written by Rohan. Clear? And now we are going to talk about past continuous. First we talk about the structure of passive voice: object plus was, were plus being plus V3. Okay. If we talk about the simple tense in tense, that will be Rohan was writing a letter. This now we are going to this sentence turn into the passive voice. Okay. A letter was being written by Rohan. Clear? And now we are going to talk about past prefect. Okay. First we talk about the structure of passive voice: object plus had plus been plus V3. Okay. If we talk about the simple active voice in active voice, we write it: Rohan had written a letter. Okay, and now we are going to transform this active voice into the passive. A letter had been written by Rohan. Clear? Now we are going to talk about simple future. Okay, object plus, if we talk about the structure, object plus will be plus V3. Okay, if we talk about the simple example of active voice, Rohan will write a letter. If we try to convert this active voice into the passive, how we can make it? A letter will be written by Rohan. Will be written by Rohan. And last one is future perfect. First we talk about the structure of passive voice: object plus will have been plus V3. For example, if we talk about the simple active voice, we can write Rohan has written, will be written, will have written a letter. Now we are going to transform this active voice into the passive. A letter will have been written by Rohan. Okay, these all are passive voice in all tenses. Hope of that you understand it, and hope of that you enjoy it. Dear student, please try to rehearsal regarding it so that you can understand in a very, very good way, and you can feed all these important things into your long term memory, Hope of that you enjoy it. And I have one humble request to you, dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and please share with all your good friends. Thank you so much.